Hey guys, welcome back. Today I thought I would do this look for you. Basically, here in Australia we are in summer, and I thought to myself, I haven't actually done a summer makeup look. So obviously that is what I'm doing for you here today. Yeah, so if you would like to see how I achieved it, please keep on watching. Morning guys, how are you? Thought I'd jump in early and try and get a video done. Okay, firstly, you always want to prep your skin, and I'm going to be moisturizing it with my Olay moisturizing lotion for sensitive skin. Take a pea-sized amount on the back of my hand and just add it to my face and work outwards. For foundation, I'm going to be using what I used in my last tutorial, which was the Healthy Mix Foundation by Bourjois. And what shade am I in? I can never remember this. I'm in the shade N2. Just going to take like a pea-sized amount on the back of my hand, and first off just use my fingers. Lately guys, I've really been loving how this foundation looks on my skin. It just gives it a really nice even finish. Doesn't look matte. It just gives a really dewy effect to the skin, and yeah, I've just been loving it. Now I'm going to leave the skin there for a minute, and I'm going to pop over to the eyes, and I'm just going to be taking MAC Soft Ochre paint pot, and I'm going to add that to my eyelids. Hi. What you doing? Come here. Come here, pretty boy. Come here. I was a bit unsure with what eye look to go with today, so I wanted a palette that would just be nice and neutral. Don't get out of that. And we'll just kind of go with any sort of lip combo I wanted to pair it with. So I decided to go with Marc Jacobs, what is it? Iconic Eyes in Glambition. And I'm quite predictable. It is mostly nudes, but it's going to be great for every day. So the first color I'm going to take all over the lid is Infamous. I'm then just going to take this kind of cool toned brown color, and I'm going to take that on just a pencil brush and aim it I just switched brushes to the MAC 239. Back that color in that outer corner. Don't sort of worry if it's a bit kind of smudgy and uneven. So I'm actually going to take MAC's All That Glitters just over the lid because I want the eyes to be quite understated. And I'm just patting that on with my finger to the center portion of the lid. I'm then just going to take my MAC 217 brush and blend out those edges. So just where it's looking a bit kind of smudgy. For liner today, I'm just going to go ahead and take my Stila liquid liner in black. Sorry guys, so I just had to go get a mirror because trying to do liquid liner without a mirror is bloody difficult. Then just going to go in with my Naked Basics palette, and I'm going to take the black liner in the palette, which is called Crave, and I'm going to fix up the eyeliner wing because I really stuffed it up today, like every other day. Next up, just going to go in and curl my eyelashes. For mascara today, I'm going to be taking the Rimmel London Volume Colorist Mascara in black. Just add a few coats. And then for brows today, I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Brow Satin in medium brown. And it's just got a fine nib on one end, then a spoolie, I'm pretty sure. Oh no, it's like a dark kind of spongy thing, but I don't use that side. And I'm just going to fill in my brows. And to set the brows in place, I'm going to take my Maybelline Brow Drama in medium brown again and just brush the hairs up. Okay, I'm going to go back to the skin, and I'm going to be taking my Rimmel Wake Me Up Concealer. It's what I always use. It's nothing's changed there. And just add it under the eyes. And then I'm just going to take my Real Techniques brush and blend it out. A good trick that I learned when I watched one of Lisa Eldridge's tutorials is that she actually does her lips before she goes in and finishes the skin. I thought that's actually a really good idea, because if you're wearing a bold lip, it tends to draw all the colour from your face anyway. So if you do your lips first, you then can go back in and find where you can add bits and pieces to the rest of your skin. And yeah, it's just a really good tip. So I'm going to go in and take MAC's Cherry Lip Liner and just line my lips. I'm then just going to take my NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in Dragon Girl. And see how it's just kind of drawn a little bit of the colour out of my face. I can now go in and just kind of touch up where I want to put bronzer, highlighter and blush, probably just to bring the colours back into those cheeks. So first up, I'm going to set the skin, and I'm going to take my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in, I'm pretty sure it's like medium, but it's worn off and the little things just fallen out. So I'm just going to set under my eyes around where I've just applied that lipstick, and my T-zone. And then for bronzer, I'm just going to take my NARS Laguna bronzer, just take it on a big 135 MAC paddle brush and warm up my cheeks. And see how that's kind of bringing the colour back into your skin already. For highlighter today, I think I'm going to go in with Fort de France, taking that on a MAC, what is this brush? A 188 Duro Fiber brush, and just adding it to those cheekbones. It's a really, really pretty highlighter. It's quite understated, but yet when you catch it in the light, see how you can see it? Oh, it's just so pretty. For blush today, I want it to be quite understated because you don't sort of want too much going on. So I'm going to take NARS Madly blush and just add it to the cheeks. And I'm going to take that on my MAC blush brush, 116 I think it is. And looking at it, I might just go back in with that, take that cool toned brown colour and just run it along my lash line. So yeah guys, that completes the look. Thanks so much for watching. Yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.